At this time, Your Honor, we will be asking for this to be a final hearing and to default Mr. Ramirez based on what I believe Mr. Brimhall is going to tell you about his efforts to speak with Mr. Ramirez and get Mr. Ramirez here in court today. We'll be asking for the minimum wage child support presumption, for a medical reimbursement order, a dental reimbursement order, and then we'll be requesting to update our judgments as to medical and dental unpaid arrears. Thank you, Your
Honor. All right, thank you. Mr. Atlanta.
Judge, yes, on this case, I have tried to reach out. Well, I have spoken with Ms. Lopez. I've gotten contact information from her for Mr. Ramirez, and I have reached out to Mr. Ramirez by both email and phone, and I have left him a voicemail with the court date information, including the Zoom code for this Zoom session. And I sent him an email that I put into Google Translate. And so the content of the email was in both English and Spanish and contained the information about court as well. So I believe he has notice of today. My request would be to also proceed in default against him. The child support, medical, and dental support calculations, I believe the state will go into those. I believe we're on the same page with that. $258 for child support, $113 for medical support, and $19 for dental. And the judgment amounts as of the last day of the last year, I believe a payment record will be entered that will reflect that as well. So I have no problem with any of that, and those would also be my requests as well in this case, Judge.
All right, well, let's get some testimony from Ms. Lopez to confirm her being in agreement, and we'll take it from there. So at this time, Ms. Lopez, could you please raise your right hand? Yes, ma'am. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any testimony you give this court today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, you're officially under oath, and I'll go ahead and let the state and that let him call you as witness. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Dennis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Lopez, would you state your full name for the record, please?
It's Rebecca Melissa Lopez.
And Ms. Lopez, who are the children we're here about today?
Aubrey Ramirez and Alayla Ramirez.
Who's their father?
Ismael Ramirez.
Have you ever been in a relationship with Mr. Ramirez?
Yes.
Have you ever lived with Mr. Ramirez?
Yes.
When you all lived together and were in a relationship, did Mr. Ramirez have the ability to work?
Yes.
Did he work when you guys were together?
Yes.
Would you agree with me that he, at this point, to your knowledge, generally does under the table work and doesn't report his wages?
Yes.
To your knowledge, has Mr. Ramirez ever been found to be disabled by Social Security or the VA?
No.
Okay. Would you agree with me that you pay more than $113 a month for the medical insurance for the children?
Yes.
And you pay more than $19 for dental insurance for the children per month?
Yes.
All right, Your Honor, that's all I got of this witness.
All right, thank you very much. Mr. Brimhall, you're a witness.
Has the payment record been entered? I don't know. Was
Not
it
yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
But I will.
Okay. Regarding the work history of Mr. Ramirez, has he told you where he is presently working?
No, he doesn't want to tell me. My kids have told me that, like when they went to go visit my sister, that they saw him building fences and that's what he does is build fences.
Okay. Have you seen him on any job sites or go into any places of employment?
No, I know my mom and my sister, they've seen him in May, Texas, building fences over there.
Okay. All right.
I do know that he does travel though.
Okay. Do you have any knowledge about whether he's working for someone, or do you believe he's just working as a day laborer or under the table contractor?
I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. The insurance that you have in place for the children, it's private insurance through your job. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And then I believe that as of the end of last year, he owed $12,878. Oh, sorry, $12,628.22 in unpaid child support. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes.
All right. And he owed you $3,017.04 in unpaid medical support. Is that your understanding?
I believe so.
Okay. And the total of all that together, if you look it up on your app or online or for your account or whatever, is roughly 15,645, something like that. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Are you asking the court grant updated judgments for the unpaid child support and unpaid medical support in this case?
Yes.
Okay. Does he have any other children other than these two?
He has 3 other ones.
Are they over the age of 18?
No.
How are they confirmed to be his children, or is it suspected?
Yes. So one of them, she's 7 years old, and I believe she has a child support case on him also for her. And then the other 2 are the current. They're small. They're the ones that he lives with right now. They're just babies.
Okay, so he has, but okay, he's living with the mother of those children.
Yeah, the 2 smaller ones, but the third one, I believe she lives like close to Georgetown, but she has
Okay.
a case for him also open.
Okay, all right. Um, all right. So do you understand that the in situations where there's an absence of information about specifically where someone is working, the
Mhm.
court uh, sometimes uses the minimum wage as a stand-in. Do you understand that?
Mhm.
Do you understand that the court can order in certain circumstances um, child support to be based on higher than that amount if there's some testimony or information that he's working somewhere else, and not reporting it?
Yes.
Okay. So you've testified that he's making fences or mending fences. Are you
Yes.
asking the court to, uh, set support based on what a person making fences uh, would make?
Um, I mean, I'm not sure because when they told me this was probably like a few months ago. I'm not sure if that's the way he does. And like I ask him, like we hardly talk, but when I do ask him, because he does know about court today, and I had asked him about it, and he would just tell me that it's none of my business. So
Okay. Okay. But uh, do you, okay. Do you believe that fence makers make more than minimum wage?
yeah,
Okay. Do you know what minimum wage is? It's 7.25 an hour. Are you aware of that?
yes,
All right. Do you believe he's making more than 7.25 an hour?
yes,
Okay. And you're asking the court to set support based on an amount appropriate and commensurable with his work and work history.
yes.
Okay. All right. Um, I will pass.
All right, man, when y'all were together, did he ever mention how much he was making an hour doing his job?
So when we were together, that was probably like 10 years ago, and he was probably making about $16 an hour, but that's when he was working in San Saba at the
Okay.
factory, at the pecan factory.
That was factory work, not fence building work.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Mhm.
All right. All
He,
right, your witness again, Mr. Dennis.
Ma'am, do you know the company do you know what company he works for to do fencing or no?
No, I don't.
And Ms. Dennis, I do have the financial activity report anytime you're ready to place it in evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, I would offer what the state's going to call State's Exhibit Number 1, which is our financial activity report. I believe the one I sent you is just the updated from the temporary hearing when we took our judgments, Judge.
All right.
Mm,
Any
I-
objection, Mr. Brimall?
No objection, Your Honor. I would
Just a second, Mr. Brimall. Ms. Lopez, any objection to court having this in evidence?
What was that? I'm sorry.
Any objection to the court having the spreadsheet that shows how much money Mr. Ramirez owes? Is there any objection to being taking this into evidence at this time, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, so okay, thank you. Stage 1's admitted. You may proceed.
we call a recess, Judge, so I can speak with Mr. Dennis real quickly.
All right, let's make it fast because we're almost getting it's almost time for the next hearing. So
It'll be about 2 minutes, Judge.
all right, well, we're off the record for a moment, and I'll review the payment history here, and we'll take it from there. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Dennis, your co-host, you can share a screen with that. Is there another court order out there for another child that shows a different net income for the father?
There is, Your Honor. I'm finishing an email to Belinda so you can look at it, but I will share as well.
All right.
10:30 hearing. I apologize, Your Honor.
Yeah,
I just sent that off. Let me go ahead and do I have sharing capabilities? I do. All right, Your Honor, I would offer what I'm going to call State's Exhibit Number 2, which is a child support review order out of Bexar County for Mr. Ramirez, signed in 2024 and agreed to by Mr. Ramirez. I'm sorry, April of 2023. And Judge, the reason I didn't offer this before is I didn't have evidence that he was currently working for a fence company, but my information shows at the time this order was done, he was working for a fence company, and he agreed that his gross income was $4,333 right here. So I'd offer that as Exhibit Number 1.
All right, then. As soon as, and have you had the opportunity to receive this information, Mr. Brimall?
I think it's being sent to me as well at the same time, but I
You
don't
can't
have
screen
it.
share at this time, Mr. Dennis is not letting you.
I'm sorry, Judge, one more time.
It's not letting you screen share.
Oh, I thought I was.
Oh no, it didn't come up, sir. Sorry.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better.
There we go.
All right. Ms. Lopez, this is an order from Bexar County where Mr. Ramirez, the same person in this case, has agreed that his net income is substantially more than minimum wage. Is there any legal reason I should not allow this in the evidence, just for the purpose of showing what the father's actual income is?
No.
All right. Any objection, Mr. Brimall?
I don't have an objection, but are you, Ms.
Mr.
Lopez?
Brimall, is it yes or no? Any objection?
No objection, no objection.
All right, stage 2 is going to be admitted. Stage 2 is going to be admitted, and you may proceed at this time, Mr. Dennis. Thank you. So has everybody done the calcs on what the child support should be based on this information? It's about a year and a half old, 2 years old now.
Yeah,
Yes,
I have the
Judge.
calculation, Judge.
That was we discussed that during our recess. I believe 140 is the actual cost of the insurance to Miss Lopez. The reason we had gone with 113 in our opening is because we were basing it on minimum wage, and it would
I know that, Mr. Brimall, not a problem.
It'd be above the 9%. So due to the new information, we can actually give her full reimbursement of her actual cost of 140. The 14 is my request. It's actually two numbers. It's added together. The dental insurance is $5 and the vision is actually $9. So I added them together.
I can't order vision, Mr. Brimall. I can only order the dental.
Okay. Then I would request 5 then.
5 on dental, got it. 140 on cash medical.
And then the child support, I believe, is $667. But maybe
What's the amount again, Mr. This, you have those caps on what the child support would be based on those other two items? Is
It would be 666 and 81 cents, but we're asking for 667, Your Honor.
All right.
So
All right, I'm gonna, Ms. Lopez, I'm gonna go ahead and update the child support and modify the child support to be based on the information that's provided in stage 2. That I got stage 2 here, the order out of Bexar County. So I'm gonna go ahead and reduce the judgment, the unpaid child support and unpaid cash medical and order repayment. Did the state have a specific amount in the repayment that they're requesting on the child support and the cash medical?
Yes, Your Honor. That's 120 for the child support and 66 for the medical. That's $50 above the interest for both of those.
All right. So the court will order those repayments on that, and I'll modify the child support to be commensurate with the amounts that the father is now earning. And again, that's going to be child support will be $667, dental will be $5, and cash medical $140. I'm going to start the new child support, cash medical and dental support, start those the first day of February 2026. And repayment amounts, I'm also going to start those repayments also on the first day of February 2026. I'll order that the father be responsible for court costs, but I'll give him to December 31st of this year to pay that off in full if so billed. Is there anything else, gentlemen, that I specifically need to review and rule on, and or are there any other questions for Ms. Lopez? And you can stop sharing at this time, Mr. Dennis. Thank you.
with the court cost was to the end of this year or to the end of next January?
In December 30, I always use December 31st when I'm this for December 31st of this year. Thank you.
Okay. I don't have any other. I'm assuming that my release is effective 30 days after.
After signature on the final order, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
I have
Judge.
nothing else, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lopez, you have any questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, ma'am. Good luck to you and the kids, and I'll go ahead and allow the state to prepare that order and circulate it and get it back to me for my signature. Good luck, and y'all have a happy new year and be safe out there, ma'am. All right?
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and we're off the record. Ma'am, you're free to go. The lawyers have something they want to discuss with me real quick, and you're free to go at this time. All right? Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
So, Your Honor, on the 230, I think you may have already tried to speak to Ms. Haley about that one, but our office never sent out the order appointing to Mr. Brimhall. So he found out about that very recently. So I'm going to be asking for a reset, but I will get in touch with the parties, and we will hopefully be able to handle that quickly.
All right. Well, we'll still convene at 2:30, and then
Okay.
if we'll let them know it's going to be reset, and we'll give them a date certain and get it taken care of. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right. See you at 2:30. You got the
Bye, y'all.
one 11. You got the one in 3 minutes, right?
Yes, yeah, I do. I'll be
All right.
right
Good.
back
I'll
on.
see you in a few minutes, and I'll see you this afternoon, Mr. Brimhall. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right. Bye-bye.
I'll send you all that stuff, Isaac.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Okay.